The notification hits on a Tuesday morning. Auto loan final payment processed. Balance zero. Tyler has been waiting for this moment for 5 years. $770 a month just freed up in Tyler's budget. That is the average American car payment in 2026. What he does with it in the next 30 days determines the next decade of his financial life. Most Americans do one of three things. They lease or finance a new car immediately. They upgrade their lifestyle, or the money quietly disappears into spending. Almost nobody points it at wealth. $770 a month invested at 7%, $55,000 in 5 years, $133,000 in 10, $393,000 in 20. The payment you already proved you could live without redirected changes retirement. Here is the psychology. Your brain adapted to the $770 leaving every month. The moment it stops, your brain immediately recalibrates that money as available. The upgrade feels earned. That feeling is the trap. Tyler and Marcus both had their cars paid off the same month. Same $770 freed up. One is about to make the $393,000 mistake. One isn't. Tax refund. Year-end bonus. Car paid off. 3 moments when real money opens up. Most people have no plan for any of them. That is where wealth is built or quietly lost. 3 things in this video. Why the wrong move feels right. Where to point the freed payment. And how to lock the system before your brain changes your mind. Tyler's brain immediately generates 3 completely reasonable justifications. He deserves it. The old car needs repairs. The new payment is only slightly more. Every one of these thoughts feels true. 3 weeks after paying off his old loan, Tyler is at the dealership. New loan, $840 a month, 72 months. He told himself the extra $70 is nothing. Tyler's true cost. New loan payments total $60,480. The $770 invested instead over the same 6 years would have become $68,000. The gap between those two choices, $128,000 in net wealth, the double hit. The new car depreciates 20% the moment he drives it off the lot, and he is paying interest on value that already evaporated. Both arrows point down. $70 more per month feels like nothing. $70 times 72 months is $5,040. Invested instead $6,900. There is no such thing as only slightly more on a long-term loan. Average new car in 2026, $50,000. Average payment, $770. Average loan over 72 months, $1.67 trillion in total auto debt. Most of it rolled over from a previous loan. The average American goes directly from one car loan to the next every 5 to 7 years for 30 years. They call it normal. The math calls it $270,000 in lost wealth. 5 years later, Tyler has a newer car. He also has a new loan. His financial position almost identical to where he started. Tyler at year 10. 2 cars. Financed. $19,000 in loan interest. Paid. 0 invested from the freed payment. The car he drives is the only thing he has to show for a decade of $770 plus payments. Same month, same freed $770, different decision. Marcus gets the same notification. But he made a plan 6 months ago. He is not figuring out what to do now. He already knows. The 4-8-hour rule. Redirect the freed payment within 48 hours of payoff before your brain adjusts to the extra money. After 48 hours, lifestyle inflation begins automatically. Within 24 hours, Marcus sets up an automatic $770 monthly transfer to his Roth IRA, the same day the loan closed. The money moves before his lifestyle adjusts. Marcus follows the sequence. Employer match first capture every free dollar. Then, Roth IRA, $625 a month, covers most of the annual limit. The remainder goes to high-yield savings. The Roth IRA is the right home for this money. Tax-free growth forever. Contributions accessible if a genuine emergency hits. The freed car payment is the perfect Roth IRA funding source. Marcus's year 1. $9,240 invested. Roth IRA fully funded for the year. Portfolio value $9,655. The freed payment did more in 1 year than Tyler's new car ever will. Marcus still drives the same paid-off car. It is not impressive. It starts every morning, and it costs him $0 per month. A paid-off, reliable car costs you only insurance and maintenance. It is one of the most powerful financial assets you can own, and most Americans give it up the moment they have it. Marcus, at year 5, $54,800 in growing investments. Roth IRA funded every single year. Car payment still zero. Year 5. Tyler's car decisions have built essentially zero net wealth. Marcus's same freed payment has built $54,800. Same income, same paycheck. Different decision made on one Tuesday morning. This is called hedonic adaptation. Your brain automatically recalibrates your expected lifestyle upward whenever money frees up. The upgrade feels earned because your brain made it feel that way. For 5 years, you proved you could live without that $770. Your lifestyle was already built around its absence. Redirecting it to wealth costs you nothing. You are already doing it. 3 paths when the car is paid off. New car, immediately the debt cycle continues. Keep the car and invest, wealth builds. Or a hybrid, invest most. Save a little for a future cash upgrade. Branch B wins mathematically. The replacement plan. Keep the paid-off car while it functions. Invest for 3 years. After 3 years, $32,000 saved. Buy the next car in cash. Never finance a car again. Cash car buyers spend approximately $60,000 on transportation over 20 years. Loan buyers spend $184,000 plus interest. The gap, $146,000 on transportation. For the same getting to work. Millionaires tie up about 1% of their net worth in vehicles. The average American ties up 30%. That gap is not income. It is a decision made repeatedly at every car payoff moment. A new or newer car is justified in 4 situations. Genuinely unreliable car, net worth over $300,000 and paying cash, buying quality used, and investing already fully automated. All 4, then it is your choice. $24,000 repair versus a new loan. The repair costs $2,400 once. The loan costs $50,400 over 5 years. The repair is almost always the right math unless the car is genuinely at the end of its life. Marcus maintains his car well $150 a month. Builds a dedicated car replacement fund $200 a month. Invests the remainder $420 a month. The full $770 works without a single loan payment. Marcus, at year 10, $72,800 invested. $24,000 cash car fund, enough for a quality used car in cash. $96,800 in total wealth. No loans, no payments. Same original $770. Year 10, Tyler signs his 3rd car loan. Marcus buys his replacement car in cash with the savings fund he built. One of them is free of car payments forever. The other just restarted the clock. Set the plan 6 months before payoff, not on the day. By the time the final payment clears, the transfer is already scheduled. Willpower is not required on the actual day. 3 payoff day rules. No dealership in the first 90 days. Transfer the freed payment within 48 hours. If you need a car buy used, buy cash. Wait 90 days. Patience is worth $96,800. Exact steps to set up the redirect. Log into your bank. Set a recurring transfer for the same amount as the old payment. Receiving account Roth IRA or brokerage. Same date the payment used to leave. Done. The mental shift. The car is paid off, but your lifestyle does not change. You were already living without that $770. Now it goes to wealth instead of a lender. Same life. Different destination. If the car genuinely dies, 2 paths. New loan for $60,000 total, or use the built-up cash fund to buy a reliable used car for $15,000 and rebuild the fund. Path B is always the math winner. Every person who pays off a car and immediately finances a new one is making a $393,000 decision without knowing it. Now you know. The same pattern plays out every time debt clears. Car paid off, student loan paid off, credit card paid off. Most people absorb the freed payment back into lifestyle every single time. Every debt payoff is a wealth acceleration event if you use it correctly. Car paid off, student loan paid off, credit card paid off. Each one redirected, and the compounding builds on itself. Marcus at year 10. No car payment. $72,800, growing in tax-free accounts. The car that started this, still running. Still free. 4 steps. Know your payoff date now. Decide where the freed money goes today. Set up the auto transfer within 48 hours of payoff. No dealership for 90 days. 30 minutes. $393,000. Already in Tyler's situation? The mistake is not permanent. Pay the current loan off faster, add anything to the principal monthly. Set the plan for next payoff today, then use it. Adding $200 to your monthly payment on a $30,000 loan pays it off 17 months early and saves $2,510 in interest. Every month you cut off the loan is a month sooner you can redirect. The payment already missing from your life is the easiest money you will ever invest. You are already living without it. Just point it somewhere better. The complete payoff plan. Screenshot this and fill in your numbers before the end of the day. $500 freed becomes $259,000. $770 becomes $393,000. $1,000 becomes $510,000. Whatever your payment size, the math rewards the same decision. Every dollar that stops going to debt has a choice, lifestyle, or wealth. Most choose lifestyle by default because they never made a plan. The plan is the entire difference. Next video, what to do the moment you get a raise. The same pattern, the same mistake, and the same math in a different moment that most Americans also get wrong. Subscribe to Wealth Instruct. Share this with someone about to pay off their car before they walk into a dealership. How many months until your car is paid off? Or did you already make Tyler's mistake and now you are starting over? Drop it below. New videos every week. The real math, always. I'm Professor Alex. This is Wealth Instruct. Wealth Construct. The real math, always.